commentary?
I'm doing commentary, Cheryl. Okay, in Bali, in taxi, Indonesian cab. Have a look. Price.
Yeah.
So far, we got in the cab. 50 cents is the starting price for Bluebird taxis.
Yeah.
And then already it is up to 90 cents, but we've been driving for about 5 minutes. So far it costs 90 cents for me. So I'm gonna have to be bankrupt today.
Yeah.
And our taxi driver's name is?
Our taxi driver is Intaran Madi.
Yeah.
Intaran Madi. See, this is him and this is him, see? Already the meter is ticking. It's moving. This is a video. Toyota taxis. Bluebird is the best cabs to get. And so far this cost me 10,000, which is $1. And I've already gone maybe a couple of Ks, so there you go, folks. This is a Balinese taxi. Ciao.